Hey, what's up, Trader? It's Nkati from Desire Trade. The advice I want to give you today is really simple, but man, can it make a big difference in your trading. You're going to see that on my chart whenever I trade, okay? I have a few indicators, and this is something that people ask me a lot of questions about. If I put all the indicators I watch, you're going to see that I have a lot of stuff, right? But the thing is, I don't use all of them at the same time. And the key here is that whenever I start to trade, the first thing I want to do is to start with a blank chart, okay? So the first thing I do is I start with nothing on my chart except candlesticks. Now you might ask why. And the reason is simple. It's because the first step whenever I'm going to trade is to look at what the market is doing overall. Look at the big picture. And if I want to look at the big picture, I want to see what market phase we're in at the moment. And if I have indicators, I'm going to be confused. But the thing is that in every market phase, there's going to be different indicators I'm going to use. So for example, whenever we trade sideways, I'm not going to use moving average. I'm just going to keep moving average away. Whenever we trade in a trend, then I'll put the RSI away because I know the RSI is not going to work in a trend. So that's the key thing here, is that I want to start first with a blank chart. Then I'm going to identify how we're trading, what's the market phase. I'm going to see that the euro right now is a downtrend. Okay, pretty simple. And then from this downtrend, I'll say, okay, so we're in a downtrend. So why don't I look at moving average to find a zone where I can trade? I'll put moving average on the chart, and then I'll look at that. But I won't even use the the RSI is not going to be here. This is not here. I'll not even look at it. I'm going to start with a blank chart, put the zones, look at one indicator to confirm, and then I'm going to trade with that. But the best thing you could do right now whenever you trade is to start with a blank chart. Start with nothing and then build it from there. Build it from what you know. Start to identify zones and then move from there. So quick advice today, but don't look at your chart with tons of indicators. Start from blank, start from scratch, build progressively, and you're going to see it makes a big difference because then you're much more clear on what you have to look for, what you have to think about. So quick advice today, how this is valuable. If so, like the video, check it out on YouTube, check out thisartoftrade.com, and if you're watching this on YouTube, go on Facebook, thisartoftrade.com/group. You can get on the Facebook group for free. So I hope this is valuable, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.